Hello everyone, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to use the new map view tool. This tool here, that's the one I'm talking about. New map tool under the navigation toolbar. So don't forget to like and click the bell button, the notification button, such that you don't miss out on any tutorials we are to share later in the future. So the tool we are to look at today is this new map view. It's under the navigation toolbar. So in case you don't have this navigation toolbar, you can right click here and then you select map navigation toolbar. If not, another way you can put it there is under view. Go to view on the menu bar. Scroll down, you'll see where we have toolbars. So down there we look for map navigation toolbar, so it's here. So once you make sure that that one is on, you will see this toolbar here, this one here, the one I'm dragging. So from here we are going to look at this. So let me click on it. So when I click on it, we can see that a new map called map 1 appears on my right. So it's this canvas here, another map you can easily use. So it's dockable, you can remove it. When I click here, I've undocked it. So I can again click there to dock it again. So undock, dock. So you can see that when I move this map here, my map there is not moving, but I want you to look at the new map we have just put there. You can see that there is a certain white point moving, there is a point there moving. So this point in the new map is moving along with what? With my cursor in this main map here. So I can easily use this to focus my new map in its area, and also use this to focus my map in the main area. So we have the settings tool here for the new map view settings. So we have so let me start with this. Show main canvas extent. So what does this do? It shows the extent of what is visible in the main map. So when I activate it, we can see that we have a red box around our main map. So in case I change the view of this map, you can see that what we view here is what is within this red box here. So if I zoom in, we can see that the red box there shows us what is actually being viewed, or what is visible within the main map. So that's actually the map view, main canvas extent. So let me leave that one on. So again, the settings here, we also have synchronize view center with main map, and synchronize view to selection, and synchronize to scale. So let's start with synchronize view center with map. So we can see, so what this one does actually, it brings out so this synchronize view center with main map. So it focuses the main map here, what is actually being viewed here in our main map, in the center of our new map here. So if I try to focus the entire map here, we shall see that we have it there. So if I try to focus on this, only this part here, you can see that it's the one that is being pulled to the center of our new map. And so that's it. So we also have synchronized view to selection. So what does this do? So this one, it doesn't move the map, though it shows where you are focusing. It doesn't move the map, though this box here, the red box, shows us where we are viewing in the main map, but not moving the map. I think you can see. I may zoom into any area here, the red box goes there, but the map doesn't change at all. So we also have this synchronized to scale. This one changes the scale totally. The scale is synchronized with the main map. I think we can see. So when I move it here, so when I try to zoom into this area, so the reason why you see that this part here we are trying to focus doesn't come here is because we have this synchronized view to section. This view to section, so that's where our red box is now going to. So if I try to put on here view to center, so the scale changes in comparison to what is on the main map. I think we can see. So you can as well as change the scale here. Let me make put it to this. Listen, you can as well as put it to this. You can see that when I change the scale here, this one also changes. The main map also changes. This is because we have this synchronized scale. So if I uncheck that and I change the scale here, we can see that this scale changes, but this one remains the way it is. So if I synchronize them, they both change at once at the same time. I think we can see that. So basically, this is what the new map view canvas does. So don't forget to leave your question in the comment section, like and subscribe for more videos like this. For any question, leave it in the comment section. We shall handle it.